challenging a state law that forces drivers to prove their citizenship or face a felony charge.
We're talking about the driving without lawful U.S. presence statute. It was enacted, I should say, right after September 11th as an anti-terrorism measure. But no one arrested under the law has ever been charged with terrorism. In Lafayette Parish, in the past 5 years, about 300 arrests were made citing this law. And now 3 of those people arrested are challenging its constitutionality. Our Aaron Stuber has both sides.
The law reads, no alien, student, or non-resident alien shall operate a motor vehicle in the state without documentation demonstrating that the person is lawfully present in the United States. It's a law now coming under fire, but defended by prosecutors.
When you start talking, as you just indicated, the term alien has a lot of connotations to it, and in this particular case, I think they're trying to, I suggest, twist it to say illegal immigration and we're trying to control it, which is absolutely not the intent of the statute.
Assistant District Attorney Jay Prather says it should be the state's right to regulate who can drive on Louisiana roads, but not everyone agrees.
There's no doubt that the impact, if we looked at the cases even in Lafayette Parish, 95% of them have Hispanic surnames. So that's sort of the policy issue. But the real linchpin is the fact that the federal government's the only one that can regulate immigration.
Public Defender Paul Marks is challenging the statute, using a Supreme Court decision last year as ammunition. In the case of Arizona versus the United States, the justices ruled Arizona was improperly trying to enforce immigration laws, which is now the big question in Louisiana.
It's a separation of powers argument that's consistent with what Arizona v. U.S. held, which is the federal government has exclusive power in this arena to regulate, because if we had 50 states regulating immigration, it could never work.
The issue is, do you have your documentation? If it happens to turn out that you're illegal, so be it. If you do have your paperwork, it's cleared up. It's not a problem.
Within the Third Circuit Appeals Court, the rulings have been split. In Lafayette, Aaron Stuber, KATC TV3.
Again, both sides will be arguing in front of the state Supreme Court tomorrow. Several foreign governments, including Mexico, and a number of civil rights groups have voiced support